Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the glow in the dark Modelones Polygel Kit. Last video I tried the color changing Modelones Polygel Kit, and now today we are trying the glow in the dark one. I am very excited, so let's just get right into it. We're first going to start by swatching all the glow in the dark colors. Last video I swatched the color changing ones, so go back and watch that if you did not. So we just got 6 colors here: a light green, white, a light orange, blue, a more neon orange, and neon yellow. Really pretty, and here are how they look glowing in the dark. I really love that pink color. Okay, so alongside using these glow in the dark polygels, I'm also going to be using a color from this Modelones kit, so I might as well just show you guys everything that comes in this kit. Base coat and top coat, dual form, slip solution. We have purple rhinestone gems and some blue glitter, a hand file, a polygel brush, and underneath you get the instructions. So the first color that comes in this kit is white. Next is soft pink. The next color is light pink, light apricot. Next color is nude. And the last color is temperature changing. So here are all the colors that come in the kit. Really pretty nudes. And I'm going to be using this color. Let's just get right into this nail set. Okay, so first we're just going to start and push back the cuticles. Now we're going to cut off the excess cuticle. So after I cut off the cuticles, I'm just going in with my sanding band and removing the shine from the nails, as well as some little excess polygel that was left on her nails from a last set that we attempted that you guys will not see because I completely failed. Just so if you want to know, we were trying to do candy corn nails. Oh my gosh. They turned out so bad. So she has a little bit of excess polygel on her nails, so I just made sure to file that little excess off. Next, I'm taking my nail clippers and cutting down the growth of her nails. Now I'm going in with my hand file and I'm just smoothing out the free edge of her nail. Okay, now I'm just taking this brush on Modelones Glue and I'm going to glue on the nail tips using that. So I'm using these extra long nail tips. I got them from Amazon. They are my absolute favorite. You guys know, literally all of my videos recently have just been using these extra long tips. I know I'm going to switch it up. Next video, I don't know if you guys know the BU long stiletto nail tips that you get on Amazon, but I really am really wanting some C-curved nails. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm just really wanting those. So we'll do some shorter nails and using different nail tips in my future videos. Don't worry, I'm not going to be using these nail tips every time, but I do like them a lot. They are my favorite. So after I glued on all the nail tips, I'm taking my tip cutter and I'm just cutting down the nails. I'm making these nails stiletto as well because this is my sister's other hand. So if you watch my last video, I did stilettos, so she wanted both of her hands to be stiletto shaped. So I just cut them down to the correct length, and then I took my straight edge nail clippers and cut my stiletto shape. Now I am taking my hand file and reshaping the nail tips. Then I'm taking my sanding band once again and removing the shine from the nail tips, as well as blending the nail tips in with the natural nails. Now I'm just wiping down the nails. I want to get rid of all that excess dust. This kind of works as my dehydrator. I'm using 70% alcohol to remove all this dust. Now I'm going in with Young Nails primer and putting 2 layers of primer on all of the nails. If you don't have this primer and you're wondering why your nails aren't lasting, you need this primer. This has been a game changer for me. Like my nail sets used to only last a week, sometimes 2 weeks if I was really good, but no, this primer can make my nails last almost a month. So it's a really good primer. It's worth the $16. So next I painted on some base coat and I cured that in my nail lamp. And now I'm just taking the nude color from the second Modelones kit and I'm just making a V shape. I'm making the nail bed, a V-shaped nail bed because we're doing some V French tips today. I haven't done V French tip nails in a very very long time. I think I've only done 1 or 2 videos doing V French tip nails. It's a very cute design. I should be doing it more often, but it honestly is very hard, especially with polygel, because making that sharp point for this nail bed part is not easy, because the polygel, when you drag it somewhere, all of it drags, you know what I mean? When you want to drag that little one part, you know, like for example the tip here, everything drags with it, so it's a little bit challenging. It kind of takes me a long time to form this nail bed part, but in the end it's definitely worth it. So I just did that for all of the nails. I made this V shape, and you see like all of it just drags with each other, so I had to bring out my sharp end of my cuticle pusher and like cut off the extra polygel so that I would, you know, kind of be that triangle shape that I want. So while I'm continuing making the nail beds, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about whatever I want. First of all, okay, so I wanted my sister to tell like another true crime story, but I think we either just forgot or she didn't have one that she wanted to tell, so we just ended up not telling one, which is kind of like, I actually really like the true crime, especially for Halloween time, but maybe next time. So maybe like whenever I'm doing my sister's nails, she can tell a true crime story, because it's a good idea. It's entertaining. True crime stories or like mystery stories or whatever it may be, like I just find them so interesting while doing the nails. It's very fun, you know, and it's just enjoyable to watch and listen to a story. Maybe whenever my sister comes, she'll be doing true crime or whatever story she wants to tell. Anyway, next thing I want to talk about is I'm gonna be getting my license. Today is Monday. I'm editing this video on Monday and I'm posting it on Monday because I'm a little bit, you know, I just kind of edit at the last minute. I'm getting my license. Well, I'm taking the test to get my license on Friday, and I'm very nervous. If you got any tips, please let me know in the comments. I'm pretty nervous. And guys, you know, I might expose myself, but I do not know how to back up without the backup camera. I know, very bad. I need to practice before I go in to take the test. I'm a good driver. It's just like the little things that I'm afraid they're gonna test me on, and I don't really know, like backing up without the backup camera. It's a little bit hard for me. I'm not very good at parking either. Honestly, I'm not very good. I always back in. Every time I park, I always back in because I can see I can use the backup camera. But it's hard for me to like park going straight, going forward. Anyway, yeah, so if you got any tips, I need them. Let me know in the comments your driver test tips. I'm getting my license and I don't even know where to go. I just want to get it over with, you know, I just want to get the test over with so that I don't gotta worry about it later. So anyway, after I'm done making all the nail beds, this triangle shape, I'm just wiping them off with some 71% alcohol, and then I'm just reshaping them to make them a little more crisp, a little more sharp. Okay, now I'm taking this first color, which is the green color. I used every color except for the light yellow because me and my sister were a little bit like traumatized from making those candy corn nails because we used like a highlighter yellow color and it was not right. It was just not the right yellow. So we were kind of like, no, please, I don't want to use that highlight yellow color. And I was like, okay, me neither. So we just didn't use that color. I first started off with this green color and I just basically filled in all the empty tip that was left on the nail. And sometimes I like overlap the nude part, which is okay because later I go back and file all of the extra green off. I actually suggest for you to kind of overlap the two colors. After you file all the overlapping off, the line that you made will be very crisp. So I do kind of recommend for you to overlap the nude part. So sorry I kind of skip around from nail to nail. I just went in order of the polygel numbers. So the green was number 1, white was number 2, and this orange is number 3. So I just went in that order instead of going by the fingers. I don't know. I will say these nails aren't they're not very Halloween, but also like I used Halloween nail products. I feel like these are more summery, to be honest, but they glow in the dark. That kind of makes it Halloween, right? But besides that, it's a really pretty set. Yeah, I didn't really add any designs after this because honestly, V French tip is pretty challenging. So I was kind of tired after a while. We didn't really add any designs or anything like stickers or gems or anything like that. We just kind of top coated it and we were done with the set. So after I'm done applying all of the polygel, I go in and wipe off the nails, and then I take my nail drill bit and remove like that overlapping part between the nude and the color. I don't shape or anything, I just file down the overlapping parts so that my nude triangle shape will show through. Because I'm going to go back and encapsulate because the nails aren't all like perfect leveled with each other, it's not smooth, you know, so I go back and encapsulate them so that I can have a nice smooth surface, and also like to give the nails a little bit better structure because when you do V French tip, it's really hard to get the apex. After I'm done revealing my triangle shaped nail bed, I'm going in with this Acrylgel from Modelones. Hopefully I'll remember to put the link in the description because I've been using this in my past videos and you guys are always asking me where is the link for this Acrylgel. It's from Modelones, so I'm pretty sure if you go on Modelones and look up Acrylgel or clear polygel or something like that, it'll show up on the Modelones website, but I will put the link in the description. This is my new favorite way to encapsulate. I basically just put a layer on the nails and then I smooth it out using this paintbrush technique. That's like the easiest way I've found to smooth out this liquidy polygel. And I recommend not to use slip solution, so put the Acrylgel on the nail, then without dipping in slip solution, just do that paintbrush technique and smooth out the Acrylgel. Then when you want to fix the shape of the Acrylgel that you've placed, now dip it in slip solution and fix the shape a little bit. So yeah, that's the best way I've found to encapsulate nails. It's pretty quick, it's easy, and it's very satisfying. Alright, now after I've encapsulated all the nails, I'm using my Makartt dust collector and my hand file, and I'm reshaping these nails. If you guys are interested in this Modelones Glow in the Dark Polygel Kit, all the information for it will be in the description. My code on the Modelones website is #VIC. You can get 15% off, I'm pretty sure. I definitely recommend this kit. The glow in the dark is very good. It's very cute. I really love these colors because me and my sister saw a picture on Instagram and it was like V French tip, and I was like, man, I really want to do those, and she really wanted it too, so we kind of didn't plan a Halloween set, you know what I mean? I just thought that maybe these colors would look kind of like a Halloween themed when they were next to each other, but it kind of, they were pretty neon, you know? It was more neon than dark Halloween colors. So yeah, they kind of turned out a little summery, but I'm okay with that. Actually, I don't mind it. I think it's really fun. After I'm done shaping and buffing all the nails, I'm going in with top coat. We're using matte top coat today because my sister's other hand, we did matte as well. So she wanted both hands to be matte and I was like, okay. So I put matte top coat on all the nails and then I cured that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with some dipped and dusted nails cuticle oil and rubbing that in. And here are how the nails turned out. So cute, simple, love the V French tip. I love all these colors next to each other. It's a little summery, I'm gonna admit. It's a summery kind of nail set because of how neon the colors are. But I still think it's cute. And honestly, you can wear this nail set any time of year because why not? You can do whatever you want. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't even say anything about us hitting 80,000 subscribers, but thank you so much. That is incredible. That is so incredible. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you, each and every one of you. And I hope my videos are like good enough for you. I hope you're satisfied with all my videos. Anyway, yeah, here are how the nails look glowing in the dark. I think they turned out so cute. If you guys are interested in this Modelones Polygel Kit, the link for it will be in the description. I definitely recommend it. Everything worked so good. Everything worked so good. And these nails turned out so cute. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.